Tell me, what bank in the world you deposit the $1.49 every month that after 12 months it will become $51? Nowhere. Only here in Hansa Mechanic.
My name is Andre Bonds of the Hansa Mechanic.
You should be here.
Okay, out of curiosity, yep, you go there and you follow and you subscribe. Hang on, let me explain to you. You only pay $1.49 a month. Don't cancel it. For 12 months, it will only cost you $17.88. Wow. The pink slip costs you $51 every year. Tell me, what bank in the world you deposit the $1.49 every month that after 12 months it will become $51? Nowhere. Only here in Hansa Mechanic. So you press the subscribe. Don't cancel it every time you come here. If you need a quick job like that, you don't need to queue, you don't need to beg. You are a VIP customer.
Okay.
How does that sound to you? You have a lot of benefit. Free pink slip, or if you want to pay the pink slip, get the wipers, $70.
Alright.
You can choose. Or if you don't like the wipers, you pay the wipers. You want the roadside assist, it's $120 a year.
Oh, okay.
You can select between 55, 70, or 120. As long as you live, as long as I live, as long as there is Facebook in the world. How long you been with us? Long time? Okay. What is the best thing that you always come back in Hansa Mechanic?
Service.
Service. Make it a little bit. Explain it a little bit. Service. Everyone can do service.
The service, the mechanic,
On time.
and good great communication.
Prices.
Prices, I'm a little bit dearer. Reasonable.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Quality service.
Quality service. Thank you. So if there is someone here who knows you and ask for a mechanic, what will you tell them?
Go to Hansa
Hansa
Mechanic.
Mechanic.
Perfect. You should be here.